Hello everyone, today we learn about mini course outline of Introduction to 2D Animation. Subtopic is a flexible learning experience presented by Naomi Venance. Course overview. Objective: introduce learners to the fundamentals of 2D animation, adapting to their learning paces and style. Learning outcome: number 1, understand the basics of 2D animation. Number 2, create simple animation using keyframes, training, and other techniques. Learning objectives. By the end of this course, learners will be able to: number 1, explain the principle of 2D animation. Number 2, demonstrate use of animation software. This course will have 5 modules. Module 1, Introduction to 2D Animation. Learning goals: define what 2D animation is and explore its impact on media. Content options. Number 1, video lecture, 5 minutes. Overview of 2D animation. Number 2, reading material. What is 2D animation in PDF? Activity: there is quiz, brief quiz to reinforce terms and concepts. Adaptation of learning style: visual learners focus on video and image. Module 2, Principle of 2D Animation. Learning goals: learn basic principle, example, squash and stretch, and timing. Content option: video demonstration, 10 minutes, example of each animation principle. Interactive tool, online tool for hand-on practice. Activity: self-assessment quiz on animation principle. Module 3, Animation Software Basics. Learning goal: familiarize with 2D animation software, example Adobe Animate and more. Content option: video tutorial, 15 minutes, basics of software interface. Step-by-step guide PDF, software setup instruction. Activity: exercise, create a simple bouncing ball animation. Module number 4, Keyframing and Twinning. Learning goals: use keyframe and twins for smooth transition. Content option: number 1, interactive videos, 10 minutes, keyframe, twinning, and practical use cases. Number 2, tutorial in form of PDF, step-by-step for creating animations. Activity: practice keyframing and twinning in an animation project. Module 5, Feedback and Reflection. Learning goals: reflect on progress and apply feedback to improve animation. Content option: feedback session, personalized feedback on a project. Number 2, self-reflection worksheets in PDF. Guide to reflect on learning and set goals. Activity: reflect on feedback and set improvement goals. Course assessment. Number 1, formative assessment, which include quizzes and exercise in each module. Number 2, feedback, peer and instructor feedback on final project. Thank you for the next steps. Content information: Venance Naomi 3 @gmail.com.